There are military rules so harsh, most civilians have never heard of them. Rules that break recruits down, rebuild them, and turn them into elite warriors. Today, you'll learn the 10 harshest military rules elite forces follow, and rule number 7 is so intense, even veteran soldiers still talk about it. Welcome to Elite Forces Explained, a channel where we reveal the secrets, mindset, training, and discipline behind the world's strongest soldiers. We're about to dive deep into the principles that forge the best of the best. Ready? Let's begin with the rule that every elite soldier faces on day 1. Rule number 1. Zero excuses. In elite forces, excuses simply do not exist. They are not part of the vocabulary. If you fail a task, you don't explain why you just try again and again and again until you succeed. If you're late, even by a second, your entire team pays the price with grueling exercises. If you make a mistake, you don't blame someone else or the circumstances. You take ownership and you fix it immediately. This rule isn't about being harsh for the sake of it. It's about building absolute responsibility. It teaches every soldier that their actions have consequences and that they alone are accountable for their performance. This sense of ownership is the solid bedrock upon which all elite warriors are built. Without it, the team crumbles. It's the first and most fundamental lesson in becoming truly elite. Rule number 2, be ready in 60 seconds. Imagine being sound asleep, and suddenly, chaos erupts. In the world of elite operations, this isn't a hypothetical, it's a reality. Elite soldiers must be able to go from a dead sleep to fully geared up and ready to move in under 1 minute. This isn't just about putting on a uniform, it's about grabbing your weapon, your communications gear, your helmet, and your pack, and being out the door. This drill is practiced relentlessly, day or night, until it becomes pure muscle memory. It builds incredible speed, a constant state of readiness, and a lightning-fast mental reflex. These are the skills that make all the difference in life or death situations, where a single second can determine the outcome of a mission. Rule number 3, leaders eat last. This is a simple but profound rule that exists in almost every elite military unit around the world. After a long, exhausting day of training or operations, when everyone is hungry, the leaders are the last ones to get in the food line. Why? It's a powerful symbol of servant leadership. It teaches humility, respect, and the fundamental principle that a true leader's priority is the welfare of their team. By putting their team's needs before their own basic needs, like food, leaders earn trust and loyalty. It demonstrates that they are not above their soldiers, but are there to serve and support them. True leaders put their team first and their stomachs second. It's a quiet but powerful act that strengthens the entire unit. Rule number 4, never walk, only run. During the grueling selection and training phases for elite units, walking is often completely banned. If you need to get somewhere, you run. You run to your meals, you run to your training exercises, you even run to the showers. There is no strolling, no casual pace. The only acceptable speeds are running or standing still. This rule serves a dual purpose. On a physical level, it builds an insane level of cardiovascular endurance and stamina, preparing soldiers for the relentless pace of modern combat. On a mental level, it instills a sense of urgency and extreme discipline. It teaches recruits to always move with purpose and to push through the constant discomfort. It's a simple rule that transforms the body and forges an unbreakable will. Rule number 5, pain is a teacher. In elite training, every mistake has a physical consequence. Drop your rifle, that's 50 push-ups. Forget a piece of gear. You're doing sprints until your legs burn. Fail to work as a team. The whole squad is holding a plank position until someone quits. But here's the crucial part. It's not seen as punishment. It's a learning tool. The physical discomfort is a powerful reminder that sears the lesson into your memory. It links the mistake with a negative physical sensation, making you far less likely to repeat it. This process builds unstoppable mental toughness, teaching soldiers to embrace discomfort and push past their perceived limits. Pain becomes a guide, a teacher that helps them become stronger, smarter, and more resilient. It's a brutal but effective method for achieving perfection. Rule number 6, the team is everything. In elite forces, you are never alone. This isn't just about camaraderie, it's a fundamental survival principle. If one soldier fails, everyone suffers the consequences. This shared fate forges a bond of trust so powerful it becomes instinctual. Your teammates are not just colleagues, they are your lifeline. Your survival depends on them, and theirs depends on you. It's a system where the group's success is paramount, creating an unbreakable unit. Next, rule number 7. Silence is a weapon. Think about it. The ability to coordinate and execute complex maneuvers without a single spoken word is a massive tactical advantage. Elite soldiers train relentlessly to move, communicate, and operate in complete silence. They use a sophisticated language of hand signals, subtle eye contact, and even foot taps. This silent teamwork allows them to win battles before the enemy even knows they are there. It's one of the most advanced and deadliest skills in the Special Operations Playbook. Rule number 8, no fear of the dark. For most people, darkness brings uncertainty and fear. For elite soldiers, it's a cloak of invisibility. They must be able to operate with full effectiveness in pitch-black conditions. This means mastering night vision technology, practicing silent movement until it's second nature, and heightening their other senses to an incredible degree. Training in darkness doesn't just teach them to see, it builds superior instincts and sensory control, turning night into their greatest ally. Rule number 9 is one of the hardest: never show weakness. The natural human reactions to extreme stress, crying, panicking, freezing up, are liabilities that can get people killed. Elite soldiers undergo intense psychological conditioning to control these instincts. They learn to maintain emotional stability and a cold, clear head, even when facing unimaginable pressure. This mental fortitude is what allows them to make life or death decisions correctly when everything is on the line. And finally, the ultimate rule, number 10. The mission comes first. This is the non-negotiable principle that defines elite forces. It means that no matter the personal pain, the brutal weather, the paralyzing fear, or the seemingly impossible challenge, the objective must be achieved. Personal comfort, and sometimes even personal safety, are secondary. Failure is simply not an option. This unwavering commitment is what separates them from everyone else. These rules are harsh, there's no doubt about it. But they are what shape ordinary individuals into the strongest and most effective warriors on the planet. If you want to dive deeper into the secrets of the world's most elite forces, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications for our next video. Let me know in the comments which one of these rules shocked you the most. Thanks for watching.